Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So how to install, and you are facing Wi-Fi 6 and AX200. So open any browsers to type uh, Wi-Fi 6 AX200 download driver. Okay, so you can see, right click to new tab, scroll down. So that is a driver. So this is for the Linux. This is involve Bluetooth, also Bluetooth, and so this is driver. Okay, Windows 10 and all. Slow down and then click to download it. I accept. It's ready to start for downloading. Single click to setup, then yes. Then next, you can see this is Wi-Fi driver. Then next, I agree. Next, and then finish. Then next method. So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.